What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's John here with another day off video, except right now I'm at work, but I'm hoping you're enjoying your day off as much as I am. Right now I'm out in the hallway of work because today is safety hearing test day. I'm about to go find out whether or not I have good hearing, bad hearing, or if I just, my wife's right and I just don't listen. I think we just go around the truck. I don't know where we go in. This is weird. A little chicken and vegetables for lunch. Alright, you guys, well, I just had lunch, a little chicken and mixed vegetables, a little Brussels sprouts, broccoli, peppers, onions, stuff that we roasted last night. Pretty tasty. The sun is out, it's still cold. Just dropped off my lunch bucket and everything in my car. About to be finished with lunch, get back to work. As far as my hearing goes, I was told that it was better than some. It was pretty good, and so I'll take that as a win. But my wife, she's already shooting that down. And just like that, the work day is done, but I am hungry. And it's my wife's late day. I'm not sure what we're doing for dinner offhand. Normally on late days we do get something takeout. We got a lot of food to eat at the house, but right now I'm taking you with me to go get a snack. It is cold outside. Got to get this car warmed up, you guys. Well, guys, change of plans. As soon as I got to the store, I also got a call from my wife because I did ask her if she wanted anything for like a snack. Well, she informed me that she was actually getting off of work early because it was slow. So we came home, currently dragging my trash can through snow to get it to the curb. And yeah, about wiped out off camera. You guys don't get to see that one yet. Hopefully. Trucking through some snow and some grass. But yeah, we had taco salads for dinner. So that's pretty much all we did. I didn't need to get a snack after all. Whipped up a quick little salad. Anyway, guys, I think that's all that's going to be going on for today. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Oh yeah, check out that bedhead hat hair and my beard net. Fancy, right? I'll tell you about this whole contraption here in a second. Let's get out of here for the day. What's up, guys? The work day is done. As you can see, same hat hair, bedhead stuff, no beard net. But the good news is my tour's done. That's right. That headset you see, we have a clientele base that we show around our facility, and I am the official tour guide. Are any of you guys surprised about that? So along with making goods, I also get the chance to stop and talk, and I like it. It's fulfilling to me. I used to be a professional broadcaster in radio, and I used to be a professional chef. So now I get to talk about food. It's win-win for me. So that's what the headset was for, because it gets loud where I work. And we bring in our customers, we bring in school groups. It's really fulfilling for me. And so I had an end of the day tour. Can't beat it. Now it's time to go home. So I will catch you guys tomorrow, unless we go somewhere after work. I mean, I've wanted McNuggets, but dang. That's pretty wild, right? I mean, something you don't see every single day. I just wanted some tasty French fries for my belly. Kind of a last minute decision to go there and get that on the way home, and wasn't even planning on filming that because it's just McDonald's, but I guess somebody likes the fries more than I do. Alright, let's get this empty trash can back. And I guess we'll pick up. I don't think I have anything else planned for today. It's Tuesday. So I think we'll pick things back up tomorrow on a Wednesday and see what happens. But so far, pretty interesting week. What's up, guys? It's now after lunch. Earlier, that shot you saw of me pretending to snooze was about 10 minutes till 6 in the morning, which of course just playing around because I got a lot of sleep last night. I fell asleep at about 7 o'clock last night, and now I've had my lunch today. Time to brush the teeth. Excuse me a minute. All right, guys, so the workday is done. It looks like my wife is going to be getting off early as well. And yeah, it's right now it is 2:38 in the afternoon on a Wednesday. And we just got invited from some friends to go out to dinner tonight. So last night had a little bit of a burger and a fry, car wreck to boot. And now I guess we're going to go grab I don't know what. We're going to go hang out with some friends and have dinner. I'll catch you guys at the restaurant. All right, you guys, change of plans. It looks like our friend is not feeling very well tonight. Long story short, their kid has been sick with some upper respiratory stuff. And so with that, she went and took a nap, the mom, our friend, and then woke up and was not feeling very good at all. And so with that, they had to cancel for this evening. And it happens, that's life. So I'm at the grocery store now. I'm gonna pop in here, get some stuff, and then we're gonna do dinner at home. So I will catch you on a Thursday. Happy Thursday, everybody. Just pulled into the lot of work. It's about 10 till 6. Yesterday I was already in the door at 10 till 6, but today I'm running a little behind. That beepy noise is my seatbelt. Just took it off because I'm going to park and run. We got to park and get in here. Thought I'd turn the light on for you guys this morning. Like one of my last videos I did here from work, had it off, and I'm like, oh, I looked at the footage again, and I'm like, oh, that was stupid. I have a dome light. Anyway, guys, it's Thursday morning. Just trying to get in this parking lot, start this work day, and we'll catch you at some point throughout the day, I'm sure. Guys, first break's over, so I'll catch you at lunch. Well, you guys, I forgot to film lunch. I was too busy eating and enjoying it too much. It's really bright out here right now. But just to let you guys know, this morning I had a breakfast sandwich and then didn't realize it because I was being kind of ultra lazy about packing my lunch. I packed a breakfast bowl. And then tonight for dinner, we're having biscuits and gravy. So it's going to be a breakfast kind of day. Yeah. It's almost 11 o'clock in the a.m. on your Thursday, and I didn't get as much sleep as I did yesterday. Our dog, we have these little steps for him to play and get down and play with his toys and things like that. When he kept dropping this hard toy last night onto the steps that made a very loud bang, and it kept me awake, if you can't tell by the little bit of bag in my eyes, and I don't have my glasses on. All right, you guys, the workday is done. I am going to go home soon, but first, I've got to change out of these dirty rags, so I'll be right back. And here we go. I know it's not much of a transition, still in the same spot, but I changed my hoodie, Bearcats, just a work hoodie. And plus, there's only so much things, or so many ways you can do a transition while you're standing in a bathroom stall. But at least I didn't show you the toilet like some people might do in a video. And just like that, we're at the mall. At Marshall's to be exact. After work. And normally it's been a lot colder. So I have two hoodies on because I'm a giant wuss about the cold. Look at that. I was able to take off that Cincinnati hoodie because it feels kind of warm. Ohio, man. There you go, 2024 champs. Ooh, Flyers hats. It's my favorite hockey team, you guys. But, oh, I hate these strap backs like that. That's cool, though. Drop a comment, tell me your favorite sports teams. You've got the Raiders, of course. I'm a Raider guy. Buckeyes for football. Duke basketball for basketball in college. Not much of an NBA guy, but I kind of like the Charlotte Hornets. Who else we got? The Flyers for hockey. You know, been old school for a while. During the Eric Lindros days, to be exact. Soccer, we've got Manchester United, English Premier League, and Champions League. Other sports out there. More casual sports anyway, but I'm just saying those are the teams I like. Drop a comment, give me all your teams below. I'm going to go find my wife and see what she's doing. Oh, I forgot to mention pro wrestling. huge pro wrestling fan. Old school WWF 90s era, Attitude era. Even further on, you got your Jim Crockett Promotions, ECW. I mean, you can't beat it. Also, you can't beat Double John in the mirror. Honka of Burning Love. Touch me. I feel like I need an adult. Uh-oh, what happens? Nothing happens. He just feels like a Marshmallow Pete. $6? Come on. That's why you're here at Marshall's. Some of this stuff's just really dumb. But then I look at this and I'm like, heck yeah, I could definitely use a wacky weird inflatable arm tube man. This ball is dead city. No one's telling me to not film in here, like up at Belgium. And now I've stumbled into Dick's Sporting Goods. Checking out some stuff. What you didn't see, wife went to Bath and Body Works. And look who's carrying the bag. They need magnet fishing stuff here, let me tell you. So if anybody's from Dick's Sporting Goods is watching my channel, invest in magnet fishing goods, please. Actually here because my wife is searching for a gift for someone that likes the Guardians and other sports stuff, so just kind of hanging out, looking at the fishing gear, and it makes me just really want warm weather. Guys, I just fell into the trash. Look at this. Look at all this. But even worse, little butt wiper towels. They've got the butt wiper towels. Ugh, so freaking disgusting. I mean, and if I was a Browns fan or a Steelers fan, I'd be pretty mad. I mean, look at this. They're literally touching. You don't want none of that. Ugh, I'm gonna do it in this pit. Many years ago, I went on a cross-country trip with a buddy of mine, and I actually have some old camera footage. And if I can get it off the camera, you guys will see it one day. But anyway, I'm a Raider fan. We didn't start seeing Raider stuff in stores until about Colorado. So that's the con of living in Ohio. You don't see very much Raider gear. But after we win the championship, now that we got Pete Carroll as our coach, as soon as we win that Super Bowl, you're going to see this stuff everywhere. You're going to be seeing every bandwagon fan. Your boy can dunk. Even with a Bath and Body Works bag, your boy can dunk. Now, how are you going to have a management office for the mall and say it's appointment only? That's why this is a dead mall. Trying to block out the phone number. I'm sure you guys could just simply Google that if you really needed to. But office is appointment only. And that's the state of the American mall. What's up, guys? Happy Friday. Not at work. Work's actually over for the day. I didn't film anything at work because, well, it's just too busy. I mean, look at my hair. It screams I'm too busy and wearing a hat. Anyway, I'm actually at my mom's. We're getting ready to have dinner, so I thought you guys could come along and see what we're eating. I believe it's going to be a pizza, pasta, bake, casserole type of thing, and some garlic bread she wanted to do. So we're going to head in. I'm going to change, mainly because I know I smell pretty rank. Maybe grab a shower, and we'll be all set. Let's do this. Here it is, you guys. Little pasta bake. Kind of reminds me of a Johnny Marzetti. Like, if you're not from Ohio, you probably don't know what Johnny Marzetti is, but it's like an Ohio thing. Noodles, sauce, pepperoni, cheese, hamburger, and then some have green pepper and onions in them, and this one did not, but pretty tasty. We crushed half of it in some garlic bread. All right, you guys, we made it back home from my mom's. We had a good meal. It's been a good week. Documented this all for you guys. Right now, I'm about to go crash. It is about 10 o'clock at night now. I am very, very tired. I've been going to bed all this week at around 7:30, so I am practically wiped. The weekend is on its way here, so make sure you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, if you could, help out the channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Plus, hit me up on my new Instagram. I'll put the description to that in the description of, I'll put the link to that to the description of this video. Yeah, I need sleep. Anyway, we'll catch you guys on the next one.